In this video, we're going to learn how to chop an onion like a Bwana. All right, I have already halved and quartered the onion. And then the next thing to do is to take this very top layer of onion. You want to get this skin off. And the way I do it is to take the actual top layer of onion, just take it right off. The other thing you want to make sure you do is you want to keep the root on it, or you want to keep it attached at the end here as best as you can. Just makes it easier to slice or dice if that's what you're going to be doing. So the first thing we're going to do is dice. Take the onion this way and make slices like such. Put it on its end. As you get closer to your fingers, you want to angle it away from them. The other use of onion would be not necessarily dice, but use them as slices. Once you've quartered it, it's really simple. All you're doing really is just run your blade along the edge there. And you get nice, thick semicircles. Okay, for larger portion needs, the process is essentially the same. We're going to be cutting off the top of the onion as flat as possible. Lay it on the flat surface. We're going to cut it in half, and we're just not going to quarter it. We're going to cut it in half, maintaining the connection by the root. Take off the top layer of skin, or the top layer of onion. Then, for dicing purposes, we're going to make cuts in the onion just like before, in the size that you are going to need, being mindful not to compromise the roots, and then just cross cut. As you get closer to your fingers, start to angle a little bit away from them. And there is your dice. For the semicircles, much the same way as before. You're just gonna, the size that you need, just go ahead and slice it across. And that is essentially it. There is one little hack that I'm going to share with you guys. And this is what my household does. My household always has a little bit diced onion, white onion in particular, on hand. So what we do is we dice it up, keep it in a package, and so we always have it on hand. The thing to keep in mind here with this practice is only cut up that much onion that you're going to be using in about a week. After about 5 to 7 days or so, this cut onion has pretty much reached its shelf life. As always, folks, it is a privilege for me to be able to share one of my passions with you. Thanks for letting me do that, and thank you for watching.